Hey guys, in this video we are going to show you how to fix forgotten messenger PIN code. If you want to fix a forgotten messenger PIN code, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the messenger app on your phone. Make sure you are already logged into your account. If you do not have an account yet, it only takes a minute to sign up and create a new account so you can get started. Once you are in the app, look at the bottom right corner of the screen for the menu icon. Tap on it, and then select Settings from the options. Scroll down and find the Privacy and Safety option. This section allows you to manage the security of your chats, including end-to-end encryption and PIN code. Next, tap on End-to-end encrypted chats, and then select Message Storage. If it is not showing the Reset PIN option, you can go back and select the message storage again. Here, you will find the option labeled Reset PIN. This is what you need to fix a forgotten PIN. Tap on Reset PIN, and you will be prompted to create a new PIN code. Make sure to choose a PIN that is secure but easy for you to remember. Once confirmed, your Messenger account will update with the new PIN, and you can access all your encrypted chats without any issues. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Messenger PIN and regain access to your secure conversations. Remember to keep your new PIN safe and avoid sharing it with anyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.